Hey lovely people, welcome back to my video. In today's video I'll be sharing how to make a very quality Vaseline at the comfort of your home. In case you're watching me for the first time, my name is Gloria and this is Gloria Home of Skills. Please like and share this video so that this video can be pushed to people who are more interested in this type of video. So guys, if you want to know how I made this wonderful Vaseline, let's get started. So this is our measuring scale. I'll be measuring all the materials that are needed in this production. So I placed a bowel on top of the measuring scale, so I tear it to remove the weight of the object. As you can see, it is showing 0. So guys, the first thing I'll be measuring is our petroleum jelly. I'll be using about 200 grams of petroleum jelly in this Vaseline production. Guys, please don't skip this video. I'll be measuring and making the productions at once, so stay tuned. So the next chemical I'll be using is our e-wax. This is e-wax. You can use candle wax, but I'll be using e-wax in this Vaseline production. I'll be adding about 20 grams of e-wax. In case you want to make your own production, just go to the chemical store where they sell chemicals. They will just show them all the measurements and the names of the chemicals that I used here, so you can use it to make your own production. The next material I'll be using is paraffin oil. This paraffin oil, I'll be using about 50 mils of paraffin oil. That's what I'll be using. The plastic I am holding in my hand is 50 mils of the plastic, so I'll be using it to measure the paraffin oil. So this is it. Please, after watching this video, the only thing I need from you is just a like. Just like the video, okay? Thank you. So guys, I've added the petroleum jelly, I added the e-wax, and I added the paraffin oil. So this is the time I am going to double boil it. So this is my pan. I'll be adding some water into it. After adding the water, I will place the material that I will use, those things that I added in the boil. That is what I'm going to place here. So that is how to do double boiling. In case you don't know what is double boiling, this is what I mean. Okay, I'm already practicing it here, so you will understand what I mean. So after I added the water and place it on top of it, I'm going to take it to a flame. Use gas, you can use any heat of your choice, so just place it on top of it for all these things to melt. That's what we want. It is preferable to use double boiling method, so I don't advise you to boil it directly. Don't melt it directly, so that you won't get a itchy skin or all this burning of skin and all that. So it's preferable for you to double boil it so that it can work perfectly well on your skin. So guys, as you can see, it is melting gradually, so I will advise you to take your time and leave it to melt. So it is wasting a lot of time, so I decided to use my stirring spoon to stir it a little so that everything will melt very fast. Because there are some things here that the heat has not touched, so I decided to spread it around so that it can dissolve very fast. Guys, it is ready. So the three materials that I melted is ready, so I'll be adding the other ingredients into it. So I want to pour it into a cup. So this is my measuring cup, but it doesn't matter, I just want to pour it here. Okay, so guys, because this is going to the skin, I'll be adding vitamin E. You can use the capsule if you see it, but this is what I'm using here. The capsule and this particular one are the same. So I'll be adding half tablespoon of it. This is half tablespoon that I'm adding. Vitamin E helps to prevent your skin, so that's why I'm adding it. So guys, the next thing I'll be adding is our glycerin. I'll be adding another half tablespoon of glycerin into it. This is a moisturizer. It serves as a moisturizer, so that's why I'm adding it. But this is optional. This is the reason I said it's a quality Vaseline. So I'll be using turmeric to make a yellowish Vaseline. In case you are using blue sea Vaseline, you can see that the Vaseline has a little yellowish color. Oh, turmeric is also good to the skin, so that's why I'm adding it. I don't want to add any color here, so I'm using just a natural thing. I just dip the spoon inside the turmeric. I didn't pack much. I just collected little. I'll be stirring it for a very long time for it to dissolve very well. So after that, the next thing to do is to add your fragrance. Just a little fragrance. In case you're using Vaseline, you will notice that Vaseline has a very little fragrance, so I'll be adding just a tablespoon of it, so it won't be too much here. Reduce hand, and you can also leave it like this. It's still okay. Guys, please don't forget to like and share this video. Thanks. Stir it properly and transfer it to your container. So this is the one I was using before, so I decided to keep the plastic so I can use it in this production. It's just two in number, but I have other plastics that I'll be using to transfer it, so just keep watching. Okay, so guys, in case if you want to learn all kinds of soap making, just use the number that is in the description of this video and contact me. I'm going to teach you the way you want. I'm going to teach you like a beginner that you are, and an advanced soaper. So just write me on WhatsApp. So guys, I made this Vaseline in the night, so after the next day, that is 12 hours, and this is what I got. It has solidified. This is it solidified about I think about 12 hours. So because I made it in the night, and this is it in the morning. So I will advise you to leave it anytime. Even if you make it in the morning, just leave it, give it some time, it will solidify. Okay guys, please don't forget to like, share, leave a comment down below if you have any question. Subscribe and follow if you find this video interesting, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.